Okay, so I have the MicroPro Grill. Today we're making beans, and what do we call them? Lima beans, and bacon, and cornbread. So it's going to be like a little bit of a separate two-part video. So first I'm going to show you bacon in the MicroPro Grill. So there's two settings to the grill. There's the casserole setting where you'll see a symbol that you can line up with an arrow, but it'll just lay on top, and then there's some space here, and that allows it to work more like a baking mechanism, like so that the heat can kind of get inside and bake all around there. But for the bacon, we want to actually put it in the grill mode so that the actual lid lays on the bacon like a bacon press. And yes, it has metal, but it will not blow up in the microwave, I promise. So for bacon, we put it in the microwave on high for 3 minutes. Then we flip the bacon, put it for another 3 minutes, and it should be done. So let me go ahead and put this now for 3 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so I just heard the microwave go off. Let's see what it looks like after 3 minutes and flip them. Now, this grill is very hot, so always use oven mitts. Let me see if I can get it good. Make sure y'all can see that. Ooh, I hear the sizzling. Well, I'm trying to get a better view. They're sliding around because of the non-stick. So we're just going to flip these, and I'll probably change them too. Like flip the ones that were inside, put them outside. And if you're using metal tongs, because you don't have Tupperware tongs, don't, try to touch the actual pan. Just try to touch the food so you don't mess up any of that non-stick. All right, let's put it in there for another 3 minutes. Okay, so the next 3 minutes is up. We should have done bacon. Now, like everything, you cook stuff to the way you like it. So if you want it done more than this, then put it in there for longer. But you can hear it. That's still cooking. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's some done bacon. Pretty awesome. So I'm just going to let it sit there for a minute. And now we're using this grease as part of our beans and stuff. So I'm going to have him take the grease. I'm going to take the bacon out, clean the grill up, and then we'll get back to doing the cornbread. Okay, so we're just going to make plain out of the box Jiffy corn muffin mix. Oh, you can't even see that because it's like backwards. I'm sorry. But it says Jiffy, and I'm just going to follow these instructions. So it says we need 1 package, 1 egg, and a 1/3 cup of milk. That's it. So I'm just going to add all that. Here's the milk, already pre-measured in our lovely measuring cups with embossed. So it's not like the Dollar Tree stuff where the measurement's going to wash off from that, cheap paint. It's embossed in there, so it's not going to go away. And then we need 1 egg. And we're just going to mix it all the way until it's completely mixed. And then we will put it in the grill. I love the spatula because it gets everything off the sides. It helps you get every piece out. Make sure you don't leave none behind. And that's a bowl. So if you want to hold it like this, where you can see the batter, you put your thumb through here, and it just helps it be extra sturdy. So you're not like hugging the bowl like this. You get a good grip on that. It's also good for kids, so they have something to hold. Even if they just have it like this, just to hold it so it doesn't go anywhere. So my kid uses it. Okay, I think we're pretty mixed here. Alright, so the grill is still hot from the bacon. So I'm just going to back it up a little. So we put in the ring. Okay, so this is the MicroPro ring. It came with this grill. It will be a host bonus coming up, so there'll be different ways to get that. This ring you do not have to just use in the MicroPro Grill. It's just a silicone shape. You can put it on a cookie sheet and bake it in the oven, just like a normal silicone baking sheet or baking device or whatever you want to call it. So if you don't have the grill, but you have a way to get the ring, it's just convenient. Or you can use it in multiple ways. So for the grill, you see that? Yes. So I'm going to use my spatula to get all that batter out. Bowl's pretty clean. And we'll just shake it a little bit to make sure it's even. Okay. Now we're going to put the lid on in the casserole position for this one. Even though the ring holds it up, we want that air getting into the sides from that position, because in this position there's no air getting in the sides. So we still want it in this position. And we're going to put it in the oven, the microwave, on high for 8 minutes. And then we should have perfectly cooked cornbread to go with our bean. Okay, so we should have done cornbread. Make sure I put it in a spot you can see. Woohoo! That is some good done cornbread. I can smell it. Wish y'all could smell it right now. So, I guess we're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll take it out and cut it up, and I'll show you the final meal that we're having tonight with the beans and the bacon we cooked. Be back in a minute. Alright, so now we're going to take it out. So some people just lift out the silicone, or they say you can put the plate upside down. Remember, it's still a little hot. And flip the whole grill. Take the grill away. Then you're just left with the silicone form. And if you kind of pull and shake it away, it's still a little hot too. You will get that cornbread out. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Right. Still a little hot. If I let it cool a little bit more, it probably would have done a little better. But look at that. Awesome cornbread. And now we're going to put our meal together, and I'll take a picture and add it to the video. So, in review, we made the bacon, 3 minutes, flipped it, put them in the middle, put another 3 minutes. No grease splatter all over your kitchen, no burning yourself. You just put it and forget it and bring it out, and you just have the one thing to clean off. Then we cleaned it out a little bit, did our cornbread in the ProRing in the casserole position, and now we're gonna put the meal all together. See you in a minute.